First time namin makabook ng private villa for less than 2,500 pesos per night, away from the crowds, nature vibes, tapos ganito yung view sa umaga. This is in Ubud, Bali. And disclaimer lang guys, the location is far from the center. Nasa rice field talaga at may konting up and down hike going to our villa. But we didn't mind since kaya pa naman ng tuhod. May Thai/Indonesian restaurant sa lobby. Hands-on at mababait din yung owners. They will give you free coffee or tea upon arrival. May daily breakfast na included na rin, daily cleaning ng rooms. And speaking of rooms, our villa has a one-bedroom sa taas na very cozy at malamig. And then sa baba naman, may dining area, kitchen, bathroom with bathtub, at my favorite spot, ang private pool. We booked this at a discounted price on Agoda. Use my code JAMIMOY Agoda for discounts up to 5 times use yan. So guys, check nyo itong Ubud Sawa Homestay sa Bali kung gusto nyo ng ganitong vibes. Full vlogs on YouTube soon, kaya follow for more travel finds. Jamima here!